Good morning, good morning. Ay, 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 ay. I sleep like a baby. I have a plan go somewhere today. Let's see how is the weather outside. Ay. Nice, the weather looks so nice today. So I have a plan go somewhere today. Oh, look how calm and beautiful it is. Ay, 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 ay. Wow, I love this place. I'm in Winchester. It's different place now. It's not like which one I have in a video before. So this place is total different. It's different part of Winchester. I mean, look how beautiful it is. So beautiful, really. Absolute amazing place. I think it's one of my favorite places because it's another one in Wayman, which one is amazing place as well. It's like a Venice. I call second Venice or Venice from UK. Look these houses. This house is so nice, so crazy nice. Look that one there. Wow, this is crazy beautiful, really. I think I'm gonna change my city in one day. I'm gonna coming in Winchester, living here forever. But I need a house like that one from there, or that one from there. Wow, I think if you sit down there with a cold beer or any drink, stay relaxed. You see the fishing, any birds. Yeah, so crazy nice, so beautiful. Look this bridge, look how beautiful is this bridge. And we're gonna explore more. I'm gonna try more. I have 4 hours today to do. So look a fish, look how big it is. Oh, I see one. Look, I'm gonna try show you. It's somewhere there. Wow, it's not visible on a camera, but I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. Wow, so crazy big fish. Ay, ay, ay. So nice. I like this video because wow, it's amazing, really. You have to watching this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and comment if you like. Crazy, absolute crazy, so beautiful. I love so much. I love this place. I don't know how many places is like this one actually, but it's so crazy nice. So crazy nice. I love so much really. I just see another place now. We are calm water. Tree is crazy nice. Look what flower they go. Nice. Look how many is. And it's a huge tree. Beautiful. How beautiful and quiet it is. This tree have different color the flowers. See? Down is red. No, red is a pinky. And this is white. Look how many is.
Right, last bits. Alright. And as a result, all the approach and the processes and the way of thinking about managing it can reach.